Ready to snag those unbelievable deals you keep seeing from Temu? Let's get to it. First, you'll need the Temu app. Head to your App Store or Google Play Store and search for Temu. It's usually the first result with an orange shopping bag logo. Tap Install or Get and wait for the app to download and install on your phone. This might take a minute or two depending on your internet speed. Once it's installed, tap Open to launch the app. You'll likely see a splash screen as the app loads. Now you're on the Temu homepage. You'll see a ton of different products organized into categories. Take a look around and familiarize yourself with the layout. If you know exactly what you're looking for, use the search bar at the top. Just tap it and type in the item you want. For example, let's search for Bluetooth headphones. Here are the search results. Scroll through the options until you find something that catches your eye. Pay attention to the ratings, reviews, and of course, the price. Once you find an item you like, tap on it to view its product page. Here, you can see more detailed images, read customer reviews, check the specifications, and see the shipping costs. If you want to buy the item, tap the Add to Cart button. You might need to select a color, size, or quantity before you can add it. Once you've added everything you want to your cart, tap the shopping cart icon in the top right corner of the screen. Here's your shopping cart. Review the items and quantities. You can remove items or adjust quantities as needed. When you're ready to purchase, tap the Checkout button. On the checkout page, you'll need to enter your shipping address and payment information. Temu accepts various payment methods like credit cards, debit cards, and PayPal. Make sure all your information is correct. Finally, review your order summary and tap Place your order to complete your purchase. You'll receive an order confirmation and tracking information soon after. You can track your order in the Orders section of the app. And that's it. You've successfully ordered items on Temu. Happy shopping!